Can a mid-range phone in 2026 really offer a 200 megapixel camera, a 7,000 milliamp hour battery, and serious gaming performance? The Realme 16 series might be exactly that. If you enjoy honest and accurate tech content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's break down everything we know for sure about the Realme 16 Pro and Realme 16 Pro Plus. Realme has officially confirmed two models: Realme 16 Pro 5G, Realme 16 Pro plus 5G-S. The series is launching in January 2026, continuing Realme's popular number series with a stronger focus on battery, camera, and performance. The Realme 16 series features a new urban wild design, giving it a premium yet durable look. Both phones come with a large AMOLED display featuring 5K resolution, high refresh rate for smooth gaming, buddy, up to 6,500 nits brightness, perfect for outdoor use. The Pro Plus model also adds advanced water and dust resistance, which is rare in this segment. Realme 16 Pro Plus is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4, offering excellent gaming performance, better thermal control, and smooth multitasking. Realme 16 Pro focuses on efficiency and stable performance, ideal for everyday use and casual gaming. This makes the Pro Plus a strong choice for mobile gamers in 2026. One of the biggest highlights is the 7,000 milliamp hour battery, officially confirmed. 80W fast charging, long gaming and streaming sessions, less time plugged in, more time playing. Both models feature a 200 MP main camera designed for sharp photos and improved portraits. The Pro Plus is expected to include a periscope telephoto lens for better zoom, while the front camera delivers high-quality selfies for content creators. The Realme 16 series ships with Android 16, Realme UI 7. Realme has also promised long-term software updates, improving overall value. So, is the Realme 16 Pro Plus the best mid-range gaming phone of 2026? Or is the Realme 16 Pro the better all-rounder? Tell me your opinion in the comments. If this video helped you, like, subscribe to Tech Talk, and share it with fellow tech lovers. More accurate and honest tech videos are coming soon.